Watch this simple lemon and turmeric glow hack for dry skin. Today, we are tapping into the incredible power of natural skincare with a simple 2-ingredient remedy that is a total game changer for dull and dry skin. Right here, we have a fresh lemon and some organic ground turmeric. Separately, they are kitchen staples, but together, they form an absolute powerhouse for revealing a bright, radiant, and even-toned complexion. If you've been struggling with dry patches or a lack of radiance, this quick routine is exactly what you need. First things first, hygiene is everything when it comes to DIY skincare. We're thoroughly washing our fresh lemon under cool, running water to remove any dirt or surface impurities. Once clean, carefully slice the lemon in half. Look at how juicy that is. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is a legendary antioxidant that naturally brightens hyperpigmentation and helps boost collagen production. The citric acid also acts as a mild alpha-hydroxy acid, which gently dissolves the dead skin cells that can make dry skin look. Now, we are going to sprinkle our ground turmeric directly onto the juicy surface of the lemon slice. Turmeric is enriched with curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. It helps calm redness, soothe irritation, and tackle dark spots. When paired with the liquid citric acid of the lemon, it creates a fresh, activated exfoliating scrub that is ready to bring out your skin's natural, luminous glow. Gently press the lemon to release a bit of juice, and begin massaging it onto your skin in circular motions. Now let's talk about dry skin benefits. Dry skin often builds up a layer of dead cells that blocks moisturizers from absorbing. This gentle exfoliation sweeps that layer away. However, because lemon juice is naturally acidic, here is a golden rule for dry skin types. Only use this treatment once or twice a week, and always follow up with a rich, nourishing moisturizer or a few drops of facial oil to lock in that hydration. Pro tip: always do a patch test on your inner arm first to make sure your skin loves it as much as mine does. After letting it sit for just a couple of minutes, rinse it off completely with lukewarm water. Don't worry if you see a slight yellow tint. That's just the natural pigment of the turmeric, and it washes away easily with a gentle cleanser or a soft, damp cloth. As you rinse, you'll immediately feel how smooth, soft, and completely refreshed your skin is. The dullness is gone, leaving behind a beautiful, healthy-looking glow. And there you have it, a bright, beautiful glow, using simple ingredients right from your pantry. Remember, because lemons make your skin more sensitive to the sun, always apply sunscreen if you're doing this during the day. Let me know in the comments if you try this out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural skincare secrets. See you next time. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture deep into the skin barrier while the lemon exfoliates. This completely buffers the acidity of the lemon juice, giving you all of the brightening benefits of the vitamin C and turmeric, without any tightness or dryness. It's the ultimate way to get that glass skin glow while keeping your skin barrier completely happy and hydrated.